Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today, we'll show you how to log in Crunchyroll account on PC in a quick and easy way. If you want to access your anime streaming account on a desktop or laptop, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Step 1. Open a web browser on your PC, such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. A web browser is the application you use to access websites on the internet, and it is usually found on your desktop or taskbar. Step 2. Click on the address bar at the top of the browser window. The address bar is where you type website addresses, and clicking it ensures you can enter the correct web link without any errors. Step 3. Type crunchyroll.com in the address bar and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you directly to the official Crunchyroll website, which is important for keeping your account secure. Step 4. Once the website loads, click the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. This button opens the sign-in page where registered users can access their accounts. Step 5. Click on the email address field on the login page. This field is where you enter the email linked to your Crunchyroll account, helping the system identify your profile. Step 6. Carefully enter your Crunchyroll email address in the email field. Make sure the email is typed correctly, as this is required to match your account details. Step 7. Click on the password field below the email box. This field is used to enter your account password, which keeps your Crunchyroll account private and secure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful PC guides and tutorials.